Okay, hi guys! Mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. Today, our setup is kind of different just because I just came back from essential oil workshop and I'm tired. But I want to open up the Lip Monthly subscription that I got for, I think this is May. So if you want to know what's inside, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay guys, before anything else, for you who are my subscribers who are not, I think you guys know that I'm a teacher. And somehow some of my students had found out that I do have a YouTube channel, and I promised one of them that I would actually say hi in one of my videos, and that's no other than Noor Akila. I'll put her photos somewhere here. She's such a very sweet girl. She actually told me that I make her laugh when she watches my videos, so it's either I look like a clown or I can be a comedian. Actually, my goodness, my students they always think that I'm funny, so I think it's a good thing. But so hi Akila, see, I kept my promise. So anyways, if any of my students are watching, let me know that you do watch my videos, and one of my videos I would actually say hi. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and thank you for actually encouraging me. So yeah, I'm not so bothered anymore when a student actually finds out that I have a YouTube channel. So yeah, anyways, so this is the Lip Monthly pouch that I actually got. I'll put all the information at the description box because I actually forgot how much do I pay for this, but I'm so excited. So when you open it up, you do have it like this, because my sister said the last video that I don't show you guys what's inside, and yeah, something dropped. Anyway, so it's correct, it's for the May 2019 Girl Power. And welcome to the May 2019 bag. We are well into spring season and summer is only just around the corner. This month we've created a bag that helps you shine bright as the weather gets warmer and the days gets longer. Show us your bag, blah 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 blah. And this time around they actually put the products and the prices. So this month's bag retails for $55 US dollars, and which is good. I mean, Singapore is summer all year round, so you do get like 1, 2, 3, 4 lipsticks and a pouch. So I'll be back. I'll try to open them up because I know some of them are like wrapped in plastic, and we'll try them on. And I'm back. Did it just bounce? Yeah, because I'm on my bed, so I'm bouncing. So I'm sorry if I keep on bouncing. It's just like, oh my god, my hair. Okay, so we did receive 4 items, and let's start off with this Lord and Berry Ultimate Lip Liner. This is how it looks like. And what's the color, Victoria? It's in Bear. So this is actually how it looks like. This is the Lord Berry Ultimate Lip Liner in Bear, and it costs like $19. I'm not familiar with the brand, but now it's kind of creamy that if you're not careful you'll actually break the tip, which I almost did. Ha 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 ha, Victoria. So yeah, this is Bear. Okay, then the next one is this City Color Hydrating Lip Balm. So yeah, I should have used this first, right? My goodness. Yeah, it smells like grapes. I think so. It doesn't say anything. So let's try. You don't get enough lip balm in your kit. I mean, I love lip balms because I do have drier lips. And this costs like $4 US. So yeah, that's nice. The next is, let's try on the Laritzi Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This costs like $20, and when you open it up, it's like this. Can you see the color? And this is in Legend. Okay, not bad. It's this metallic like color. It's not too metallic actually, but then it's kind of sticky, but I think it's going to dry down matte like what happened here. It's actually pretty. It's actually pretty. Yeah, I do like this type of colors. When it dries down, it's like kind of tacky, but it's not that tacky actually. So I like it. And okay, last but not the least is this feather. Can you actually see it? Is this Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's by EBY. I don't know what EBY means, but it's in the color nude. Again, it's a full-size lipstick and it looks like this. It's nice. I don't like the smell. It smells like lipsticky with a bit chemical. Unlike this, it smells like chocolate vanilla. But let's try and see. I also like this color. Oh my goodness. So this is the Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick. It costs $12 and it's in the, I always forget the name. It's in nude. So yeah, it's comfortable to wear. I know it's drying, but I don't feel like my lips are dry, if it makes sense. I have to wear this like longer. And yeah, so that's it. I did get like 4 lipsticks for this month of May. 3 are lipstick and 1 is a lip balm, which I'm not complaining. I love lip balms. And so let's go through the swatches. This is the Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner in Bear. The next is the Laritzi Velvet Liquid Lipstick, which is in the shade Legend. Then the last one, and the one I'm wearing now, is the IBY Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick in Nude. So for this month, I like all of them, as in everything. So I love the 4 lipsticks. So again, it's like worth for your money. I think it did say it cost like $55 US, and if you sum it up, you would still like get a lot of savings. Although if you have it shipped to Singapore, you'll be receiving it like quite late, like 2 weeks late. But it doesn't matter actually. I don't mind. So I'm planning to get this subscription thing for my sister too, who's based in LA, and maybe for our sister Saturday we'll be trying on lipsticks together and see which one we actually like, because this is a perfect gift for my sister. She also loves lipstick, not as much as I do, but she loves lipsticks. So what was your favorite color on me? Do you like to try the lip monthly thing subscription box? I'll put everything on the description box. Did I say something wrong? Anyways, I'm having a headache. Let's end the video now, Victoria. So if you do like this type of videos wherein I open subscription boxes and try it on for you guys, or you want me to try more on lipstick, let me know what lipstick you like, lipstick brand. Let me know in the comment section below so I can actually check them out and try them. I love lipsticks. Anyways, again, if you like this type of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this type of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!